Hello everyone, I am Ahmet.
I am Mert.
We will present our library management system. The aim of this project is to be able to manage a library with its features. There are admins, users, books and borrowers in the library. Their data are kept in files and the system reads the previous data when it starts. I was responsible with admins menu. User and welcome menus are done by Mert in this project. Let's look at functional blocks of the project.
In Welcome menu, first this system starts with database. If we press 1, it directs us to admin login, and if 2 is pressed, it directs us to user login. And finally, to sign up, we press 3, and after the process is done, system gives us a unique ID and adds us to database. By pressing Q, we can exit from the system.
In the admins menu, there are 5 inner menus for admins. First one lets the admins to see the others, and if the admin is also the principal, an admin may be added or deleted. In the second menu, admins can see all the users, find a user with a name or delete a user with an ID, but the user shouldn't be a borrower for this process. In the third one, admins may see all the borrowers and search an ID if the user is a borrower. In the fourth part, admins may see all the books, and they may delete a book if the book is not borrowed. Admins may also search a book with keywords. To add book, admin enters a book information and an ID is generated for the new book. For changing a book's place, admin enters a book ID and its new place. In the fifth part, the admin may change the password by entering the current and new passwords thoroughly. New passwords are taken twice. Pressing Q, program saves the data and turns back to welcome menu.
In user interface, if we press 1, the program shows us all of the books in the book list. By pressing 2, we can see the books that we have borrowed. If we press 3, program wants us to enter some keywords which are matching with the search book, and then it shows us a list of match books. If we press 4, we can borrow a book and it decreases the number of the book in the list. If we press 5, return book menu opens, and after the process is done, it increases the number of the book from the list of books. In case of pressing 6, user can change his or her current password. Finally, if we press Q, program saves our data and exits.
In algorithm design section, the first algorithm that we have used is reading from and writing to database. When the program starts, it reads the data from text files line by line. After tokenizing them with commas, writes them to related structs. When we are exiting from the program, it reads latest data from linked lists and writes them to buffers by adding commas between elements. Finally, it writes the buffer to database.
Showing all the elements in linked list, it starts from the head pointer and reads all the data in the element and moves to the next element until the pointer next is null. Finding an element in a linked list, it starts to search from the head pointer until it finds the search elements. It goes to the pointers next. When it comes to search elements, it prints the information.
Adding elements to the linked lists. New elements information is taken from the user. New element's next pointer becomes head, and head pointer points to new elements. Deleting elements from linked lists. The previous element's next pointer becomes the deleted element's next pointer, and deleted element is freed. Generating new IDs. The program creates random ID until the ID is unique, and it is assigned to the new elements. Our main problem in this project was taking multiple strings from user because of the functions that are mentioned. However, the problem has been solved in this project. Also, there may be some improvements for our library management system. Firstly, a reminder system that reminds the user how many days have left for the return date can be added to system. Secondly, based on borrower's previous readings, a book recommendation feature may be added to borrow book section. Let's continue with demo parts. Let's enter with the principal's account to add an administrator, manage admins, add administrator. Let's give an ID, number, and name. Passwords are matching 1, 2, 3. Let's see all admins. Here are all our admins.
As you know, we are not robots. Let's create an account with name Alper Nözden and password 123. After that, we log in with the given ID and the password. Let's press 3 and search one of the Celal Şengör's books with entering keywords Bilgi ile Sohbet. Let's borrow the book that we have searched before with ID 12278. Let's press 3 again and check the quantity of the book with ID 12278. Thanks for listening.